It's time again for the Bringing Back Basic Gray collaboration, where we pull out some of the old basic gray papers and have a little fun. Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome. It is time for the Basic Gray, Bringing Back Basic Gray collaboration. This is just a small collaboration that I do with my friend Sarah, who's crafting and relaxing here on YouTube, and Kathy, who is Stampin' Cat over on Instagram. We all love the old Basic Gray papers, wish that they still made paper. And so we kind of decided that we would pull out some of the hoarded Basic Gray papers in our stash and play with them once a month. We're not trying to use them up, just trying to enjoy them. So this month I focused on this Perhaps collection pack. And Sarah actually sent me this because it had a lot of pink in it, and she had found it somewhere and she knew I loved pink. So I decided to pull this one out and play with it. I hadn't played with it yet. And this month I made some scrapbook layouts. I loved the pinks and the greens, and I thought they would be perfect for this layout called Doll Day. My oldest, when she left for school one day, this was years ago, asked my youngest if she would babysit her doll, her American Girl doll. And so my youngest took that very seriously, and we spent the day creating scenarios for the dolls. And so I just took a couple different of the patterns and used them together on this layout. I also had some stickers from another sticker sheet, like some of the I think these were from an Echo Park sticker sheet. And then I just brought in some little punch flowers from my stash, and I did use a couple of tags for journaling and accents. And then I did 2 single page layouts about dance recitals. Just liked, again, kind of that, I love pink and green together. It's like one of my favorite color combinations. And so kind of used pink and green again on here. I actually used the last strip I had of one of the florals from the previous 2-page layout, and then just brought in some stickers from my stash to embellish. And then this one I used a different pattern that had like more of gold and white in it, not just the pink and the green. And then, because for this month's theme for Smash Our Stash, the theme was border strips, and so I still had those kind of in my head, and so I pulled out 2 pink border strips to accent my page here, and then again some other stickers from my stash. So those are my 3 layouts using some of the beautiful papers from the Perhaps collection pack from Echo Park. It doesn't have a date that I can see on when this collection came out, so I'm guessing 2009-ish. That's what most of mine seem to be dated, but I really love this pack, so thank you so much, Sarah. I will get a lot of good use out of this. You guys, please be sure to check out the links for Sarah and Kathy in the description box below to see what beautiful basic gray papers they used this month. Thank you so much for your time, and hope you all have a very crafty day.